Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn to differentiate this function, that is e raised to the power sin x, using the concepts of calculus and differentiation. Now the very first step related to any question of calculus, be it integration or differentiation, is to assign a variable to the function. So let us say that the value of y is equal to e raised to the power sine of x. Now the second step, what we do is we reassign the remaining function, for example sin x in this case, by another variable. So the value of u comes out to be sine of x. So that means the new value of y would be e raised to the power of u. Now let us calculate the value of d, differentiate this particular equation both the sides. And now since the independent variable is x, so this is d by du of y is equal to d by du of e raised to the power u. So in this case this would be dy divided by du, and then in this case we will follow the conventional rule of differentiation of e raised to the power x. So this comes out to be e raised to the power u. Now as far as this part of the equation is concerned, here the independent variable is x, so let us differentiate both the sides in terms of x. So this is d by dx of u, and differentiating d by dx of sin x on this side as well. So the value of du by dx comes out to be d by dx of sin x. The differentiation of sin x is cos of x. So let us say this is equation number 2, and let us say this is equation number 1. Now in the original question we were asked to calculate the value of dy by dx. So as we know, the value of dy by dx can be written as dy by du multiplied by du by dx. So as you can see, if we cancel out du and du from both the sides, eventually we are left with is dy by dx. Now the value of dy by du is e raised to the power u from equation number 1, and this is multiplied by du by dx. Now the value of du by dx, as we have calculated, is cos of x. So we will substitute this as cos of x. But the variable u was introduced by us, whose value is sin x. So we kind of resubstitute the value of u over here. So this turns out to be e raised to the power sine of x multiplied by cos of x. So this right here is the final answer that we were looking for. I hope that this video was informative enough, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.